Well, guys, Mulibonj, welcome back to yet another reaction. So, Onesmus has a new song out 18 hours ago. So, naturally, I have to react to it, if you know what I mean. So, the name of the song is Ndiwe. It's you. Yeah, without wasting any time, man, let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Yeah, hopefully this song is really good or the video.
Hey, DJ Maggie.
Oh,
Spata Pepia. Yeah. Pepe quiero un día muna badwa.
that's like Malawi. Beautiful, beautiful video. Beautiful video. Oh man, like big artist.
Yeah, wanna get to know ya. Wanna guys when they come cola. Dona kuwala in mami kudoa. I've never seen such a beauty. Chiki ya wino ngati magazini.
Okay, the editing was on top.
Song for you. So many pretty faces in and
Hey.
You don't understand what you do to me. My goosebumps, butterflies, feels for you. And a given time, I'll say I do. And a given time,
Marriage is important. Forever. You're the wife of Pangolin. What does that mean? Does it go anyway? I can understand what he's saying, which is really good. I think my listening comprehension when it comes to Chichewa is improving. Um, let's see if I can translate for you because Ogalen Kazi or Pangolin, you'll be the wife of Pangolin. You on your engine, I'll put gasoline. Um, yeah, he's saying it's a love song. I love the chill vibe of it. It has like that summer vibe at the beach near Lake Malawi. I feel like hopefully that's Lake Malawi. Is that Lake Malawi? Let me know in the comment section. But this is a beautiful song, beautiful video. Obviously, Onesmus, a big artist. You can tell the quality of the video is just pretty chill, and the maturity as well. Hey. Your beautiful stuff, man. Big up to, let me see, the director Kyong, Kadango, and lighting. Yo, the lighting was actually also so great, especially on those like dark parts of the video. The lighting was brilliant. I was about to comment about that. Ngoleka, big up, man. I don't have the DJ thing, but Matt, the creator, co-director, producer, Mbuka Man, logistics, Gabriel Kalong. So guys, these are the people that are important in this stuff, because they make brilliant videos and we never could know who they are, or unless if you're like searching deep. So it's good that they have their names in the back there. It's beautiful. I really appreciate that. I love videos and videographers and all the things. So yeah, man, this was a good one. Thank you so much for watching this. If you are here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I feel like this is one of the songs that are from Onesmus that should be hitting 1 million views soon, because it's pretty chill. The video is well done and everything just works. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.